This article is coming from Yahoo Finance. Ballard Power stock rises as new orders climb more than 100%. So Ballard Power Systems shares climbed on Wednesday as the fuel cell maker for buses, trucks, trains, and more told investors that its swelling order book will keep growing. Ballard saw a net loss of $30 million as revenue dropped across most of its heavy-duty mobility portfolio. However, the company boasted $25 million in new orders in Q2, up from $12 million in the same quarter a year ago. The CEO says, "We believe Ballard is set for a strong second half of 2023 with sequential quarterly revenue growth and continued progress on our order book to support 2024 revenue." Now, his tone was different from a year ago when he referenced an uncertain macroeconomic environment as the company pared back its investment plans. Last week, Ballard announced a deal with Ford heavy commercial truck brand to work on a hydrogen fuel powered vehicle prototype. The CEO said on Wednesday that he sees the relationship with Detroit automaker expanding far beyond the prototype stage. Now, the details was they signed a letter of intent to provide Ford with a fuel cell system for their trucks, marking a significant step in the development of a hydrogen fuel powered vehicle prototype. The partnership includes an initial purchase order for two FC Move XD 120 kilowatt fuel cell engines that are planned to be delivered by Ballard to Ford trucks in 2023. Ballard also recently announced an order of 96 hydrogen fuel cell engines from European bus maker Solaris Bus and Coach, adding to the more than 110 Ballard powered buses the company has deployed to date. MacEwen said he expects material new orders for our bus customers over the next 12 months. All right, so very bullish news all around for Ballard. Let's go to the charts, and the charts say a different story. Ballard reached a high of $42 back in February of 21, but the stock is down 95% plus since then. And really until prices close above this 13 simple monthly moving average, you can't get bullish on the stock as of yet. Just seeing if there's any levels of interest on the monthly chart. We see that in May they reached the bottom. So let's scroll down to the weekly. Staying on the monthly for a second, you can see all the selling pressure continues. Let's see if we see any signs of a potential reversal though. Yeah, down in 2018, it's low volume. So what I was trying to find was a level of interest in this area here, but this is all based on low volume. If I had to pick a monthly zone, it would be down in the $3 region. You had a rally in price, several base and candles in a rally out. Price came back, reacted, price went deeper into the zone to get those unfilled last remaining orders and then shot higher. So we'll call this monthly buyers at 250. But as you can see, the zone is used up. However, because it's a high time frame level, the probability of it holding is still high. All right, so now going to the weekly chart. You can see you had a drop in price, a basing candle and a rally out. Here was a nice zone as well on the weekly chart. Had a rallying price, two basing candles and rally out. Price nipped the zone and then shot higher. So I'm just going to open this level up. This is the level that it would go long at if price can get down to the $2.50 to $2 level. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. Now, I had to mention on the monthly chart, until price can close above the monthly moving average, say at $5, can't get long. So that's 540. On the daily chart, the 200-day moving average sits at 520. So yeah, that $5 to $6 range closes above that level between 5 and 6 would be a sign of a reversal. Until then, you got to anticipate price is going to continue to sell off, or maybe it's forming some type of basing reversal accumulation phase. We'll see. You do have the moving averages starting to bottom out. If they start turning higher, that would be bullish, but I would wait for price to get above the 200-day moving average at a minimum before considering going long on Ballard. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.